pepper because I was being healthy. But and, I can laugh at those things now, but when I was in the middle of it and when I reached that 550 plus pounds, it was not funny. It was very miserable. But this is the beauty about you start doing the tune up and you start fixing these things. When you come on the other side of it and you're healthier, you'll be able to laugh at it like I am now. But those was one of the things that I was doing. Like I was eating all these things in these go-to destinations just because I didn't know about it. Now, the next thing we have is we have emotional destinations. So if you may have noticed, even with the go-to destinations, and sometimes these food home destinations, they can be really close. Like it's a real thin line between them. Like I said, like sometimes I was stressed out from work at the post office. That you have an emotional eating home also. Like you need to know what foods you go to when you're in different emotional states. Because one of the things that we actually do, which is so detrimental to our health and to our actually trying to lose weight, is the same foods that we run to when we're sad and depressed. Most of the time are the same foods that we run to celebrate good things in our life. So we're using the same foods to comfort us when we're comfort us when we're depressed, and then we're using these same foods to make us to reward ourselves. So what are we actually doing? We're just giving ourselves bad food on top of bad food on top of bad food. And so this is why you want to be very aware of what are the destinations. And so the last destination is your this is your home destination. Your home destination is the destination that you, I'm sorry, not your home destination. It's your frequently visited destination. Your go-to is your home destination, your frequently visited destination. And so with your frequently visited destination, these are ones that we go to at very specific times of the year. So this is why I asked you about 4th of July, your birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day, Easter Sunday, if you have a big family that get together on Easter Sunday, Thanksgiving, which is one of the biggest meals that most Americans eat. It is one of the worst meals that most Americans eat. Why isn't no one teaching this? Because if you start getting this under control, you're going to start understanding exactly why you haven't been able to lose weight. This is why I put this dashboard for you. And I want you to fill this out right here, identifying my food home. What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for lunch? What do you eat for dinner? What do you eat for snacks? If you run out of space, use the notes here in the 7-day jumpstart where it say that. Use the notes there. But you want to fill all of that out. And then after you fill that out, switch the page. Just swap the page. And my food home swaps. So now, this is the beauty. How do I swap out my food home, Jason?